Welcome back, guys. In this session, I'm going to show you how we can take a default value from the user, okay, if they have not entered any kind of parameter in the URL. Okay, so suppose let me just create a page, a student page. Okay, I'll say student page where he has to enter his particular name. So let me create a route for that first, route. Okay, and I'm going to say student page. Okay, they have to enter their name. Okay, put a forward slash and they have to enter their student name. Student name is going to be entered by the user. Okay, and here what you can do is you can either mention which all methods we can use and all those things. So let me just write here methods is equal to I'll use a list saying that they can use the post method as well as they can use the get method as well. Okay, so these are going to be the methods which will be allowing to open the page to show it. Okay, now I'll say show student page. Okay, where they are supposed to enter their student name, and let's return that page. So let me use an h1 tag like this in single quotes on the left side as well. Okay, and inside the h1 tag I'm going to say hello, that particular student name, and come outside and I'll put the dot format operator of Python and say student name is going to get entered over here. Okay, so first let us simply just run this page and see whether we can enter the name or not. Okay, here if you want you can mention that they have to give it in as a string variable itself. So let me just give it as a string variable, that student name. Let me save it. Okay, it is going to refresh the page. Okay, let me just come back here and let's append the URL like this, student page forward slash Gurupreet. Hit enter and it is going to say hello Gurupreet. That is what here we are getting printed. Okay, if suppose the user does not give any particular name, okay, they just say enter, it is going to say URL has not been found. So in case of this, okay, see guys, this page, okay, this URL, you are supposed to give this particular name. Okay, but now if they do not enter the name, okay, some default value you can set so that they take that particular name. So this is the student URL, and if this part is missing, okay, if this that part is missing, okay, the name part is missing, then here what you can say is, okay, by default, okay, you can say like this, defaults, faults, defaults is equal to, okay, and uh, since it is like a dictionary, means name and a value. Okay, I'm going to use the curly braces and here I'm going to say like this, that is student name. Okay, that is going to be in double quotes, I'm going to use once again and say that is going to be eCoders. Okay, that is going to be the default name if the user has not given any particular name. Okay, so let me just bring it like this so that it's much visible. See guys, this name value is missing from here. Okay, and methods post or get, anything they can use, and defaults. Okay, for the student name it's going to be the eCoders. Okay, now let me just save this application. Okay, it's going to restart the server, and now when I say student page forward slash, okay, you can say any particular name. I'm going to say Angad, enter, it's going to say hello Angad. Now if the user has not given any kind of name, okay, if he just says student page forward slash, it is going to take the default value, that is eCoders, on that particular page and display it on the screen. Okay, so this is how you are going to display, okay, any particular name which is passed by the user. Okay, and let him know that we are going to take a default value if they have not passed any kind of values or parameters in the URL. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.